Well, welcome to another Mike on a Bike adventure. This time, I'm heading to Bonnie Doon. I'm out on a portion of the Great Victorian Rail Trail, riding from Merton into Bonnie Doon and return. So this is just part of a few days that I'm spending in this area, riding on a few bits of the Great Victorian Rail Trail that are still open after the fires that went through them in January. So welcome to Bonnie Doon and another Mike on a Bike adventure. It was a bit of a journey to get to the trailhead at Merton. It was more like Mike in a car than Mike on a bike. The journey from Leongatha took me via Horsham, Mildura and Bendigo. Some 1,500 kilometres behind the wheel, but that's another story. As you can see, the day is a bit overcast and it was cool, with the temperature dropping as I got closer to the mountains. The trail itself is in good condition, and with it being a bit wet, it was a bit slower to ride on. But yeah, it's a good trail overall. As you can see, the terrain through which I was riding varies from open woodland to closed forest and rather some open bits. But yeah, overall, it's a really interesting area to enter. And of course, there are a few bridges to ride over. And everyone knows I like a bridge. So I'd highly commend riding on this section of the Great Victorian Rail Trail. It's a great ride. Finally, I reached Bonnie Doon. It took just a bit under an hour each way, so to Bonnie Doon and back to Merton. But once I was in Bonnie Doon, time to have a few snacks and get ready for the trip back. So overall, in the words of Daryl Kerrigan, what can I say but how's the serenity?